Hello everyone. Did you see my thumbnail? Yes. So the topic we're going to see is about how to make soft idlis at home. I call it humble idli, as it's healthy, low oil, and everyone's favorite South Indian breakfast, which is gluten-free and vegan. It is a fermented food that is extremely beneficial for the gut. As a South Indian, we have grown up eating idlis almost every day for the breakfast. There was never a dearth of batter at home. In fact, my mother always ensured two types of batter, dosa and idli, in the refrigerator. Are you not satisfied with the softness of the idlis steamed at your home? Do the idlis turn hard? Well, today I have taken out time to update my mom's recipe on this video with a step-by-step procedure on how to make super soft idlis at home without any baking soda or poha. Yes, you can steam a soft idlis at home, and that too with a traditional stone grinder, and the same can be followed with a mixer. Normally, I make the batter at Sunday night so that I can use it for the weekdays. Wash the idli rice and the urad dal 2 to 3 times. Soak them separately for at least 4 to 6 hours. Add methi seeds to the urad dal while soaking. After 4 hours, use the water used for soaking and grind them separately, adding water little by little. So this is the consistency which you require. Mix well with a clean dry hands and keep in a warm place for fermentation. It should be around 8 to 10 hours overnight. While fermentation, it is important to keep the batter in the warm place. Do not disturb the batter while fermentation. Opening and shaking the batter continuously will not help in rising. It affects its taste too, and mostly leads to improper fermentation and bitter taste in the batter. So please don't do it. The next morning, the batter would have risen. So this is how it has risen for me. Mix well, add salt, water if required to adjust the consistency, and make idlis. So store the remaining batter in your refrigerator for the next use. Always add few tablespoons of water to the risen batter and do not directly steam it, as it would lead to a very dense idlis. Prepare the steamer and grease the idli molds with oil. Slowly fill the molds with the batter and steam them for at least 15 to 20 minutes on the medium flame. Switch off the steamer, allow it to cool, and then open the lid. Demold the idlis once they have slightly cooled down, else it would crack and break. Now that you are all geared up to make idlis at home, please do try this recipe and let me know how your humble idlis turned out. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Bye.